There are aunties, uncles, and the entire exhausted middle-class army. Every single evening, the same old drama. Husband comes home from office, opens the door, sees the mess in the house and yells, "Did a bomb explode in the kitchen today or what?" The wife starts crying. The kids get scared. The mother-in-law throws shade. And the whole neighborhood gets free entertainment. But from today, everything is about to change. One wife started a tiny little 2-minute welcome ritual. Suddenly, confetti started flying in the air. Shoulder massage began. And the husband himself started reheating the food, washing the dishes, and saying sweetly, "Jan, what delicious thing have you made today?" Yesterday, Kieran showed the magic of saving 35,000. Today, Sana is showing how her husband's anger turns into pure love. 7 days, 7 wives. Episode 2 starts right now at 6 a.m. sharp. The alarm rang in a modest 3-room portion in Gulshan Ajatpur. Sana opened her eyes, jumped straight out of bed, and said to herself, "That's it. Starting today, Rihan's anger ends." Last night's scene was still echoing in her ears. Rihan had slammed the door open, looked at the kitchen, plates scattered on the floor, milk spilled everywhere. Hania and Hamza sitting in front of the TV, munching chips. Rihan had exploded. "Sana, is this a home or a garbage dump? The same drama every day. Should I just start eating out?" Her mother-in-law had added her own spice. "Son, I told you, keep the house in order, or this boy will slip out of your hands." Sana hadn't slept the whole night. She kept scrolling on her phone, watching reels on YouTube. 4. One foreign lady was saying, "The way you welcome your husband decides the mood of the entire evening." Sana made up her mind. New game starts today. At 6:15 a.m., she went to the kids. Hania, 8 years old, and Hamza, 6 years old. She woke them gently and whispered, "From today, we're going to give Papa a surprise. The moment he opens the door, we'll throw confetti. I'll give him a shoulder massage. You both will shout, 'Welcome home, Papa.'" Got it. The kids got super excited. Hania, "Mummy, where will we get confetti?" Sana cut up old greeting cards into tiny pieces and filled a big shoebox with them. Hamza wrote in huge letters on chart paper, "Welcome home, Papa," and sprinkled glitter all over it. Evening, 6:30 p.m. Sana swept and mopped the house, cooked dinner in advance, and dressed the kids in fresh clothes. Her mother-in-law was sitting in the kitchen, ready to taunt. "Mother-in-law, the same nonsense is going to happen today, too. Just wait and watch." Sana smiled and replied, "Ami, just watch. Today, your son will wash the dishes himself." Rihan usually reaches home at 6:50. Sana switched off all the lights. The 3 of them stood hidden behind the door. Rihan opened the door, saw darkness, and his anger was about to kick in. What now? Even the electricity is gone. Suddenly, lights on. Hania and Hamza turned the shoebox upside down. Colorful paper pieces rained all over the entrance. The kids screamed at the top of their lungs, "Welcome home, Papa." Paper stuck all over Rihan's face. He just stood there, stunned. Sana stepped forward, took his office bag with both hands, then gently started pressing his shoulders. "You must be so tired from office, right? Just 2 minutes. Then sit and relax." Rihan's anger vanished into thin air. He closed his eyes and stood there, enjoying it. "What? What's happening today?" Anna whispered in his ear. "From today, it'll be like this every single day. You just come home, we'll take care of everything else." Rihan's face lit up with the biggest smile. He picked up both kids in his arms and kept kissing them. "Wow, this feels better than a 5-star hotel." The mother-in-law watched from the kitchen, mouth wide open in shock. As soon as they sat down at the dinner table, Rihan himself reheated the food, fed the kids, and asked Sana with a smile, "What special dish did you make today, Mary Yon?" The mother-in-law tried to throw in a taunt. "This is just the beginning. Wait till tomorrow. The same chaos will be back." But Rihan shut her down instantly. "Ami, in all these years, you never made me this happy. Even once. The way Sana did today in just 2 minutes." 11 p.m. The kids were asleep. The mother-in-law had gone to her room, still in shock. Rihan and Sana were sitting in their bedroom. Rihan held Sana's hand. "Sana, tell me honestly, why did you do all this today?" With tears in her eyes, Sana said, "Rihan, every single day I used to be scared of your anger. I just wanted that when you come home, your tiredness leaves you, not that you unload your anger on us. Just 2 minutes of love. It can change the entire evening." Rihan pulled her into a tight hug. "In 8 years of marriage, I never imagined coming home could feel this good." Then he whispered, "From tomorrow, I'll wash the dishes myself. You just never stop this ritual." Next morning, Rihan woke up on his own, got the kids ready for school, and made bed tea for Sana. When the mother-in-law saw this, her heart melted. She came to Sana, tears rolling down her cheeks, and said, "Betty, I've taunted you so much. Please forgive me." Sana hugged her and laughed. "Ami, from now on you'll also throw confetti with us, right?" All three burst out laughing. And just like that, 7 days passed. A red day confetti, every day a shoulder massage, every day a Rihan helping out in the kitchen himself. On the 7th day, Rihan surprised Sana. He decorated the whole house with colorful balloons, ordered a cake, and in front of everyone took out a ring for Sana. "This isn't just a ring. This is my thank you. You've changed my life." The entire house was in tears. Even the mother-in-law kissed Sana's hands. So friends, that was the story of our second wife, Sana. Fights don't happen at home because there's too much work. Fights happen because love has run low. Just a 2-minute welcome ritual can transform the whole evening, the whole life. Tomorrow, the third wife is coming, and she's going to take on the mother-in-law 7 days, 7 wives. See you tomorrow. Wawa, my lovely subscribers. How was today's dose? Didn't Sana turn Rihan from 0 to absolute superhero in just 2 minutes? Now Rihan himself says, "I've actually developed a passion for washing dishes." Quick, go smash that like button right now. Otherwise, tomorrow's wife will personally challenge you. Drop a comment and tell me, will you also throw confetti at your husband or not? And don't you dare forget to hit the bell icon, or you'll miss tomorrow's story and end up crying all day. So, what's happening tomorrow? Tomorrow, the third wife, Nida, is coming. Her mother-in-law had doubled the monthly budget. Pizza every day, a sea on full blast, fridge empty in a week. Nida started one little game called Gardari CA Challenge. Whoever has more fun while staying within the budget wins. The mother-in-law lost in just 3 days and started doing the accounts herself. Tomorrow, the sass will say with her own mouth, "Bahu, you're my Ustad guru." So tomorrow evening, sharp at 8 p.m., be here on time. There. Another explosion in the Series 7, Din 7 We, with funny, fun Urdu stories. Until then, give your husband a quick little massage, he'll become happy for free. Allah Hafiz and keep that budget tight.